guys, today I'll be talking about the Cam ECS12. It's one of the Elite Blasters, maybe. It's NIF Cam ECS12. Comes with eight batteries that look like that. 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. It's a revving gun, but the batteries are not included, so it's a revving gun. It has a jam door right here. Comes with the lead jars, a 12-right clip. Look how you get the clip out. You hold this, slide it out. Okay, let's go. No, that's so it's stuck. So 12-right clip. The camera can record the just like that. So that's pretty cool. See my face right here. Hello. I can't record now. I don't know where the chip is, and there's like this orange thing goes over here. But pretty cool. Like the Vancam. Not the Vancam cam. I just get confused because I was watching Nerfboy Productions. So that's the Vancam. These are the batteries that come with it. 8 batteries, not included. So how it works is you hold the revving button like this. How's it firing? So it does jam a ton, not all the time, but sometimes it does jam. It doesn't jam that much. Yeah, so it's a nice gun. 12-grit clip. It does not come in black. It comes in orange. I just spray painted it half black. It comes with these kind of darts, Elite. And you can spray paint it black. As you can see. If you want. Pretty cool gun we have here. What fires is that's what fires. It has one tactical grill. No, it has 2 tactical grills. One slim adapter, one right here. How you record is we'll take a picture the button right here. And this is to pick one, record, or take a picture. This is to record there. This is to delete. So see my darts are finished. I got mine from Toys R Us in Canada. But sunny day outside today. Really sunny. So how it works is just like that. Yeah, really nice gun. I like it. You can hold it from here. If you hold the revving button, just click that, and don't hold the revving button, just click it through that. If you do that and hold the trigger, it won't work. Slap that, it works. Yeah. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Put down the comments below. Should I spray paint it black or red? Bye.